In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn profile that will get you noticed. If you are looking to attract more prospects and clients with LinkedIn, then it is crucial that you understand what your ideal audience wants. A majority of them are not interested in reading an online version of your resume. What they do want to know is who you are, what products you provide, and how you can help them achieve their goals. Here's how to create a LinkedIn profile that will get you noticed and increase your leads. Start with a professional photo. If you don't already have a professional headshot, you'll need to add that to your to-do list. The photo you place on your LinkedIn profile may be your first impression with potential customers. Make sure that your professional picture is clean and professional looking. If it's not, then you need to upgrade it as soon as possible. Create a catchy headline. LinkedIn, by default, automatically populates your headline with your current title and company. But you don't have to leave it this way. You can change the headline to highlight your specialty and speak directly to your audience. You might want to consider making your headline searchable by including essential keywords. Include your biggest achievements. In the summary field of your profile, include 5 to 6 of your most significant achievements. To make it easier to read, be sure to use bullet points. Think about your target audience and then create a picture of how you can make their life easier. Add images to your experience. Adding media files to your experience is a great way to create a visual portfolio along with your standard resume information. Images will grab the attention of your target readers and increase the chances that they will stay and interact with you. Add links to relevant sites. If you have an online portfolio or work-related blog, make use of the 3 URLs that you can have on your profile and link back to them. Make sure that you are using discretion while adding links to other sites, as you still want your profile to be professional. Ask for recommendations. While endorsements are good, recommendations are the currency of LinkedIn. Take some time to reach out to past managers, colleagues, and associates to ask them to write you a recommendation. To ensure that you have a killer profile on LinkedIn, follow these easy steps. Having a killer profile will help you stand out amongst the crowd and gain more leads.